Through golden sands and hills of green, on the quest for my Celtic queen. From blue stacks high to Malin Head, along the coast I smiled and sped. Searching high and searching low, jumped on a bus, went to Dunlow. All the Marys at the ball, I saw her, my Donegal doll. Hair of gold and eyes of green, she's the look of a lady and the poise of a queen. All the beauty can't conceal, the fire in the belly and the reel in her heel. Sharp with the tongue, blood will rise, she can cut you down with a look in her eyes. She's the best of them all, she's the one, my Donegal doll. Visit Donegal, heaven would close its doors, 'cause so many would fight to fall. For all the girls that live here, sprayed with magic dust, makes a man, makes a home, makes a wife famous, the Donegal doll. Come to those who wait. But if I were you, I'd put on my shoes and run right out the gate, straight into this county and let my heart fall. The hair of gold and eyes of green, she's the one, the Donegal doll.